how to open the hidden Android 14 Galaxy Universe on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on About Phone. Next, we scroll down and tap on Software Information. Now, in the Android version 14, tap on it 4 times or 3 times quickly, 1, 2, 3. And here, you'll be able to see the hidden Android 14 Galaxy Universe. It is fun to look at, but you cannot actually do anything with it. So if I touch and hold to that, if I try to move around, nothing happens. We can simply just see the stars on the background. And that's it. Finally, just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.